Hello everyone, welcome to LaraPush. In this tutorial, we will show you how you can schedule push notification in LaraPush. First of all, you have to log in into LaraPush dashboard. Here on the left sidebar, you will see the campaigns option. Click on it. Now click on the create campaigns button to create a new push notification campaign. Here you will be asked to enter a range of information such as title, message, icon URL, image URL and so on. You can either enter these information manually or simply enter the URL of the web page to fetch data automatically. Once you have entered the information, select no for the send notification now option. This will be enable schedule options for you. Here you can select the date and time when you want this push notification to be sent and click on the apply button. Now you just have to click on the send button and your push notification will be scheduled. See how easy it is to schedule push notification in LaraPush. Our latest series LaraPush version 4 allow you to edit and even delete scheduled push notification. To do that, simply click on the campaigns option. Here you will see all your scheduled push notifications. Click on the edit icon to modify or delete that specific push notification. Here you can make changes to your push notification campaign or simply click on the delete button to delete this notification campaign. And that was it from this video guys. For more video like this, consider subscribing to our channel and I'll see you in the next video.